So we have stress in our hips, stress in our knees, and we're gonna release both right now. Bring it up, slide this hand down, grab the ankle, put your knees together, hips are together. So if there was a ruler, your pelvic bone should be in a line right here. Stretch your body up, reach, keep stretching, pulling your knees together, pulling your heels up to your butt, reaching up, reaching up, reaching up. And release. You get to party a little bit. Celebrate. Hey. Other side. Here we go. Bring it up. Hold. Stand tall. Knees together. Pull that heel up. Chest up. Reach. Hold. And down. Release. How we're feeling, how we're flowing. Okay, so now I want you to grab a chair. You guys still with me? Are you still with me? Okay, we're gonna grab a chair. It's a little bit more stable. We're gonna open up the hips. Now, a lot of negative emotion gets stored right here and right here. So a lot of times when you do these stretches, things come up for you. So I want you to think about like a pain that you had that you stuffed down, okay? That you just stuffed down and you ignored it, right? So I want you to say, I give myself permission to release this pain. So when you do it, you gotta give yourself permission because your body thinks it has to hold it because you haven't told it what to do with all that pain.